Hello students, today I am going to teach you what is a sentence and what kinds of sentences are there in English. Let's begin with a sentence. Let's see what is a sentence. Dear students, when we speak or write, we use words. We generally use these words in groups. Here is an example of a sentence. You can read or you can see that this sentence has many words. A sentence, for example, Hari has returned the book to the library. A group of words like this which makes complete sense is called a sentence. Actually, sentence is the highest grammatical unit. While speaking, we take pauses. You know this. Pause is an indicative of the end of a sentence. And in writing, punctuation marks are used to indicate the boundary of a sentence. A sentence can be affirmative or negative. Affirmative sentence, for example, the sea has many thousand sands. And negative sentence, for example, we cannot pump the ocean dry. You know, students, sentences can be classified according to their structure and according to their functions. According to their function, sentences are divided into 4 kinds. Now let's know the kinds of sentences. The first one kind of sentence is assertive sentence. Assertive sentences are those which make statements or assertions. Assertive sentence or assertive sentences are also called as declarative sentences. They are the statements. An assertive sentence simply makes a statement or express an opinion. In other words, it makes a declaration. This kind of sentences end with a full stop. You can see the examples, you can read the examples. Here are some of the examples of assertive sentences. The singing of the bird delights us. He is a brave boy. He cannot swim. At the end of every assertive sentence, we have to put a full stop. Now the second one kind of sentence that is known as an interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences are those which ask questions. Interrogative sentences ask a question. This type of sentence or this type of sentences often begin with who, where, when, why, how, do, or can, and these interrogative sentences end with a question mark. Here are some of the examples of interrogative sentence. Where do you live? This is asked. When you want to get some information, you construct a sentence that is always of interrogative type. Is there any point asking Suresh to join discussion? When are you going to submit the project? Now the third one kind of sentence is an imperative sentence. Imperative sentences are those which express commands, requests, or entreaties. Imperative sentence gives a command or makes a request. Imperative sentence, for example, be quiet, have mercy upon us, stand at ease. A sentence that expresses a command or entity is called an imperative sentence. Now let's see the next one type of sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentences are those which express strong feelings. An exclamatory sentence is a sentence that expresses great emotion, such as excitement, surprise, happiness, anger. An exclamatory sentence ends with an exclamation point or exclamation mark. Exclamatory sentence, for example, what a shame, alas, he is dead. Hooray, India has won the match. Thank you.